While more than 800,000 Americans with COVID have lost their lives, millions upon millions have survived, witnessing a new COVID surge reaching new heights. WCPO 9 News reporter Kendria LaFleur explains the emotional toll this latest wave can take on some of those survivors.
It's been nearly 2 years since Drew Abbott was hospitalized at Good Samaritan with COVID-19.
I think I was their first COVID patient that tested positive there. And like the 6th in Hamilton County. So we were way early in the curve.
But once he recovered, the emotional wounds stayed.
I'd kind of break out in a cold sweat every time I drove by the emergency room where I got wheeled in. The sound of the door locking in the room when I was in the hospital was one that I would wake up to in the middle of the night, kind of to dreams for a while.
He started a support group to help other survivors who were dealing with the same issues. It ended last spring as the vaccine became available and cases started to decline. But with a new surge in cases, he says he understands how this could mentally impact some.
That level of fear and panic in some people just was instilled, and they still struggle with that, and they have not come out of the shell even now.
It can be traumatic just to be ill with a life-threatening illness.
Dr. Maria Espinola, a professor at the Department of Psychiatry at UC, says this could cause PTSD.
One of the symptoms for PTSD is avoidance. So you don't want to be reminded of what you've been through.
So if you're feeling like this, she recommends to take care of yourself and get help, exercise as well, get therapy, and connect with others.
At the very least, make a phone call. Have a Zoom meeting, connect through social media, but don't isolate yourself.
Abbott says if the need arises, his support group could restart. He agrees that being connected makes all the difference.
As a society, we need to acknowledge that we are under that kind of stress and that we're kind of freaking out again. And again, I think it comes back to community, comes back to being able to connect with people that you care about and that you can support each other.
In Cincinnati, Kendria LaFleur, WCPO 9 News.